Good morning, viewers. Tomorrow, the 27th April 2025, TRS party is going to celebrate its silver jubilee. On the day 27th April 2021, the great person, the father of Telangana nation, KCR, has launched this party for the salvation of Telangana state. This is the heartfelt feeling of our Telangana people. So to get Telangana state, he has worked hard for 14 years. He has faced many more problems. He has fought in Delhi. After obtaining 32 parties acceptance, the then Congress government has announced in the 2009, and again it has taken back the step. Afterwards, 2014 June 2, on the day appointed, Telangana state was formed. After forming Telangana state, our Telangana father KCR thought for the youth, farmers, and the weaver community, and each and every community has thought the possibilities. He has taken place. According to that, he has launched this Asara pension from 200 to 2000. Not only that, for the farmers, he has launched Raitu Bandhu. For every acre for year, he has announced and disbursed for 8 consequent years, 10,000 per acres. After that also, if any farmer dies, natural calamity or any accidental death also, he will be claiming 5 lakhs as low benefit. But that many more people have rehabilitated their families. Not only that, especially in Sirisila, Batkama sarees was launched. With that, people of weaver community has very much satisfied with Batkama sarees and RVM sarees and everything. During 8 years of period, 3,313 crores orders was placed, so that people were happy. After coming this Revanth Reddy Rajyam, Indiramma Palana, as in 1977, people has remembering the emergency like that only is imposed in Telangana. There is no free for express our opinions in social media or anything. Not only that, the farmers, weaver community, nobody is having enjoyed in this. After having this crisis of 16 months, KCR coming out for tomorrow's 27th April Silver Jubilee. All the people are eagerly awaiting what the message will be from KCR Garu. With that, we are going to celebrate a big celebration in 27 years. People are very happy to come and participate in this Silver Jubilee. As Kumbh Mela, people will be going. Not only that, Sammaka Saralama Jatara is very known festival in Telangana. Like the same festival we are going to celebrate tomorrow in Elkaturti. I request the Telangana